how to make alkaline vegan pancakes. Let's go. A cup of spelt flour, half a cup of chickpea flour, add 1/3 of hemp seeds. You can add agave or date syrup. In this case, I add both, but don't add too much because it gets too sweet. You can add grapeseed oil or avocado oil. Get yourself some Burro bananas or baby bananas. Make sure they're ripe because you're gonna mash them up beautifully and tastefully. Add them sweeties into your mix. And then we're gonna take some sparkling water to spark that up. Add some salt for taste. Make sure to use spring water to mix it up. I love blueberries, so I'm gonna add a handful. Turn on the stove, baby. Make sure to heat up the oil so that pancakes don't stick to the pan. And voila, look at them beautiful pancakes.